Hi everyone, welcome back to Surya Law Academy's YouTube channel. I am Megha Sharma, Director Surya Law Academy and your law mentor. Today I will be sharing how you can ace the reading comprehension section of the upcoming CLAT 2026. Whether you're starting fresh or a dropper, I'll cover some smart strategies, a daily plan, and what to expect this year. In CLAT 2026, the English section will continue the trend. What's the trend? Around 4 to 5 long passages ranging from 400 to 500 words. Each passage will be followed by around 5 to 6 multiple choice questions. What are the topics? Current affairs, law, philosophy, environment, economics, fiction. It can be a mix of contemporary and classic. What to expect? Inference-based questions, my dear. Tone of the author, central idea, meaning of words in context. Speed, comprehension will be the key because 80% of the English section is reading comprehension. We all know that. What are my smart tips and tricks? Read actively, not passively. Don't just move your eyes across the line. Engage. Ask what the author's main point is. Is there an argument or just facts? 2. Build speed with accuracy. Daily, set a reminder. Try to read around 400 word passages in around 2 to 3 minutes. After reading, close it. Can you summarize that passage in one line? 3. Underline on paper. While reading, mark the author's opinion, examples and keys and transitions like however, therefore, but. Don't get stuck on tough word. Guess the meaning from the sentence. CLAT is testing if you can do this. 5. Practice elimination in option. Instead of just hunting for the right answer first, eliminate the 2 wrong ones. Now let's discuss the reading comprehension practice plan. This is for both, for freshers and droppers. For freshers, daily 1 hour. Read at least 2 editorials daily from the leading newspaper. It can be Hindu, Indian Express, Guardian. Practice around 4 to 5 reading passages from CLAT previous year papers or from any mock or from any source. Maintain a notebook. Always jot down. Jot down your daily work, your date, the source, the time if you have taken. For droppers, daily 2 hours is imperative. Practice around 6 to 8 reading comprehensions daily. You can time them. You can focus on your speed and your accuracy. Weekly, take a full English section mocks. Revise your mistake. You can focus on CLAT, previous year papers and ALT passages or in many mocks. My advice for both freshers and droppers, keep 1 day a revision day. It can be Monday, Sunday, where you're practicing all your tough passages, you're revising them, looking at the vocabulary, looking at your doubts, looking at those questions where you were really caught up. Finally, remember, reading comprehension is not about reading more. It's about reading smarter. Build this skill daily, and by December, you will notice difference in your speed and confidence. If you found this useful, you can hit the like and subscribe button, drop in your doubts in the comments because I'm always there to help. So all the very best for your CLAT 2026. Let's crack it together. Thank you so much for watching.